Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to verify my Revolut account. Alright, let's begin. First, select your citizenship. A list of countries will appear. Choose the one that matches your nationality. Next, select the type of identification document for verification. You can use a driving license, passport, or national ID. Tap Continue after making your selection. Now, scan your ID document. Align it within the frame, ensuring all details are clear. If using a driving license, you may need to scan both the front and back. After submitting your ID, the app will prompt you to take a selfie. Ensure your face is fully visible, remove any accessories like hats or sunglasses, and take a clear photo. Once submitted, Revolut will verify your identity by matching your ID with your selfie. This process may take a few moments, depending on request volume. If verification is successful, you will receive a confirmation in the app. If there are any issues, such as unclear photos or mismatched details, the app will guide you on the next steps. So that's basically how you can verify my Revolut account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.